Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Parallels versus VirtualBox. Which one's better? Let's find out. Parallels is a commercial virtualization software designed mainly for Mac users who need to run Windows, Linux, or other OS environments seamlessly alongside macOS. It is known for its smooth performance, coherence mode for blending Windows apps into the Mac desktop, and tight integration with Apple hardware. For example, you can open a Windows-only program like Microsoft Access or a legacy software directly on your Mac desktop without switching operating systems. Parallels also supports automatic configuration, making it easy to set up a virtual machine in just a few clicks. With DirectX and OpenGL support, you can even run graphics-intensive games or design software, while easy file sharing between systems ensures your documents, media, and projects are accessible across both Mac and Windows environments. However, it's a paid product with subscription-based pricing, and advanced features like Pro or Business editions can get pricey for casual users. So, it's better suited for professionals or power users who rely on virtualization every day. On the other hand, VirtualBox, developed by Oracle, is a free and open-source virtualization platform available on Windows, macOS, Linux, and Solaris. It's ideal for developers, testers, and anyone experimenting with multiple systems without cost barriers. For instance, you could quickly spin up a Linux server environment to test web applications or simulate different operating systems without paying a cent. VirtualBox supports snapshot guest editions, allowing you to save and revert your virtual machine to a previous state, perfect for testing software or learning new OS features safely. It also offers wide OS compatibility, meaning you can run less common systems like Solaris or older versions of Windows. Its main strengths are flexibility and affordability, making it great for learning, testing, or experimentation. However, it can feel less polished, and performance may lag compared to Parallels, especially on Mac hardware, where optimization and integration are not as tight. In comparison, Parallels focuses on performance and ease of use, offering a seamless experience for professionals who need virtual machines that just work without fuss. VirtualBox, on the other hand, prioritizes flexibility and cost-effectiveness, giving you full control over configurations, multiple OS support, and the freedom to experiment. Mac professionals often prefer Parallels for its seamless integration and polished experience, while developers, hobbyists, or students may lean towards VirtualBox for its open-source freedom and zero cost. Ultimately, your ideal choice depends on priorities. If you value convenience, speed, and professional-grade support, Parallels is appealing. If you prefer customization, experimentation, and keeping costs down, VirtualBox is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you decide which virtualization software fits your needs, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech comparisons.